Hello everyone, this is Jagdish and welcome to another video regarding the Power BI. So in the previous video we have seen how to import your data sets, and if you not watched the previous video you can watch that one. And these are the variables which have been included, and this is my data source. So this is our report page, and if you want to see your data sets here, you can see your data set. uh, so this is a simple introduction of this, and let's we go into the topic. Here you can see there are different visualizations, different types of visualizations are there. So if you need, you can use bar chart or line chart or pie chart, and if you even you can use the maps to indicate the things or variables. So we will see one by one, and first I will just use the line chart. You just click the line chart and it will appear here as a simple thing. So if you need what are the things you are needed, you can just select it, or you just drag and you paste it here. Here you can see access legend, values, tooltips, everything you can see here. So I will be using the country name and with the cumulative death rates. So here you can see the data is plotted very exactly, and how it seems. So the y-axis and x-axis was labeled with the country name and the cumulative dates. So if you need to make some designs or some background effects, you just see here there will be a format option. You just go into that. Here you can do large number of things. Whatever the things you needed, you can do it. So if you need to label the data, for example, you need to highlight the points which are the things you can give like this. So here you can see each point has been located and labeled, and if you need to change the data format types, that is units, you can change either in case of thousands you can give, or in case of millions or billions or trillions, whatever the things you needed you can give. And even you can also place decimal places, what are the decimal places you are needed. And another thing is the position of the data values, either above the data point or below the data point or line, whatever the thing you can give. And you can also increase the text size, you can change the font, everything you can do here. This is regarding the data labels. And meanwhile you can change the background color. If you need, you can change your background color to whatever the color you like. And if you need to increase or decrease the transparency level, you can do all sort of things here. So this is regarding the background. And if you need to give some title to it, you can give, and it is a very simple and easiest way. So you can give us. And some of the things you want to know is that if you need to increase the scale, that is the values, you can increase using the y and x axis options. And if you need to change the color, the similar way you can do all sort of things. Okay, this is how you can just do this. And this is a dashboard on report board. This is going to be published. So you can just drag, and you can make any sizes. So if you need, you can make this as a enlarge, and do all sort of things. And if you need to add another chart in this report, you can do simple. Let's go with the pie chart the similar way. So the pie chart, and this we will do the country name with respect to the cumulative confirmed cases. So here you can see how exactly it locates and how perfectly it looks. And if you need to do some editing works, you can also do it. So as I initially said, there will be some changes you can make. So this is a simple way of making some line chart and bar chart. And if you another one important thing you must know is that if you need to make this as a table, that is the value should be made into a table, you can export the data of that particular graph. And if you need to show this as in a table, here you can easily access it. So here it is. So this is a way how you can use those things. And if you need to add any text box and explain about those things. You can do all sort of things here. So this is a simple way and the easiest way, guys. So please make use of the Power BI. And in the next video, we'll be seeing the maps, how to include the maps and do the things. So I hope you have learned something about this Power BI graph. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe. Thank you.